In the heart of Sri Lanka, far from the noise of modern cities, life flows gently in the villages. These are places where time slows down, where people rise with the sun and sleep beneath a sky full of stars. Village life in Sri Lanka is rooted in simplicity, yet rich in tradition. Families live close to the land, nurturing it with care passed down through generations. Farming is not just an occupation, it is a way of life. Paddy fields, coconut groves, and home gardens sustain both body and spirit. Every day begins with quiet rituals: the boiling of water, the grinding of spices, the lighting of the hearth. Meals are shared, stories are told, and laughter rings through open windows. The sense of togetherness here is strong, not just within families, but throughout the community. Villagers live with a deep connection to nature. In areas near the Sinharaja Rainforest or Wilpattu National Park, wildlife is not just a curiosity, it is part of daily life. Elephants, monkeys, and birds often roam near homes, reminding villagers of the delicate balance they maintain with their surroundings. Pottery in Sri Lanka has served both utilitarian and ceremonial purposes, from everyday cooking vessels to items used in religious rituals, while traditional designs continue to be cherished. Houses in Sri Lankan villages are often a mix of traditional and modern elements depending on the region and economic status of the residents. Built using locally available materials like mud clay wattle and daub-thatched coconut leaves, timber, and sometimes bricks. Sri Lanka is one of the world's largest exporters: Ceylon tea, rubber, and coconut important plantation crops, spices, cinnamon, pepper, cardamom, cloves, vegetables, and fruits grown widely in the central and lowland areas. Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon, is globally renowned for its tea industry, producing the esteemed Ceylon tea. This tea is celebrated for its distinct flavor and high quality. The tea industry plays a pivotal role in Sri Lanka's economy, contributing approximately 1.2% to the nation's GDP. Famous historical places: Sigiriya Rock Fortress, Anuradhapura Polonnarua Galle, Fort Ella Haputale,